Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. Now we have reached the 10th and last part of our French verb series. So in case you have any queries or questions in mind, you can always write in the comment box, or if you want me to add more verbs into the group, you can also share in the description box. I hope you have enjoyed the whole series. So without any further delay, let's start with our final verb series lesson. First verb, posséder, to possess. Réfléchir, to reflect upon. Obéir, to obey. Habiter, to live or to reside. Conduire, to drive. Appartenir, to belong. Rencontrer, to meet. Gagner, to win. Adorer, to adore or to like. Apprécier, to appreciate. Let's repeat once more, and you can also repeat after me. Posséder, to possess. Réfléchir, to reflect. Obéir, to obey. Habiter, to live or to reside. Conduire, to drive. Appartenir, to belong. Rencontrer, to meet. Gagner, to win. Adorer, to adore or to like. And apprécier, to appreciate. Let's discuss all these verbs with the help of example. First one, posséder. Il possède une belle maison près de la plage. Beach. Près de, near. They possess a beautiful house near the beach. Il possède une belle maison près de la plage. Last form. And for your convenience, I have already conjugated the verbs in the description box. Right? In case of any queries or questions, you can check that out. Next, je ne veux pas posséder trop de choses matérielles. Materialistic, you can say, material things. I don't want to possess a lot of materialistic things. Je ne veux pas posséder trop de choses matérielles. Or, I don't want to possess a lot of material things. Let's move to the next verb, réfléchir, to reflect upon. जब एक réfléchis आता, proposition. Proposition is proposal. I am going to think about your proposal. जब एक réfléchis आता, proposition. Proposition is feminine word, that's why ta. I am going to. Allez verb. I am going to reflect upon your proposal. Another verb, il faut réfléchir avant de prendre une décision importante. Feminine word, because this is feminine. We should think before taking any important decision, or before making any important decision. Il faut réfléchir avant de prendre une décision importante. We should think before making any important decision. Clear? Obéir, to obey. Il faut obéir, base form, aux règles de la classe. One should obey the rules of the class, or we should obey the rules of the class. Règles, rules. Les enfants doivent obéir à leurs parents. Children should obey their parents. Children should obey their parents. Les enfants doivent obéir à leurs parents. Habiter, to live or to reside. J'habite à Chandigarh depuis 5 ans. 5 is 5. I live in Chandigarh for 5 years. J'habite à Chandigarh depuis 5 ans. Elle habite dans un petit village près de la mer. Near the sea. Village, petit, small. She lives in a small village near the sea. Elle habite dans un petit village près de la mer. Then, conduire, to drive. Mon père sait conduire une voiture. My father knows how to drive a car. Any infinitive after savoir know how. It becomes know how. My father know how to drive a car. Mon père sait conduire une voiture. One more example. Elle ne sait pas conduire un vélo. Vélo is bike. She doesn't know how to ride a bike. Elle ne sait pas conduire un vélo. I hope this is clear. Let's move to the next verb, which is appartenir, to belong. Ce livre appartient à ma sœur. This book belongs to my sister. Ce livre appartient à ma sœur. One more example. Les bijoux en diamant appartiennent à la famille royale. Jewelry, diamond. The diamond jewelry belongs to royal family. Famille royale. Les bijoux en diamant appartiennent à la famille royale. Then next, which is rencontrer, to meet. J'ai rencontré mon ami au café hier soir. J'ai rencontré, past tense. I met my friend at cafe yesterday. J'ai rencontré mon ami au café hier soir, or yesterday evening. J'ai rencontré mon ami au café hier soir. Les deux équipes se rencontrent dans la finale. Final. Team. Two teams meet in the final. Les deux équipes se rencontrent dans la finale. The two teams meet in the final. Next, gagner, to win. Nous avons gagné le match de football. Nous avons gagné, past tense. We won the football match. We won the football match. Nous avons gagné le match de football. Elle a gagné un prix pour son talent artistique. She won a prize or a reward for her artistic talent. Elle a gagné un prix pour son talent artistique. She won a reward or a prize for her artistic talent. Adorer, to adore or to like. Les enfants adorent les bonbons, candies. Children like candies, or children adore candies. J'adore écouter de la musique classique, classical music. I adore listening classical music, or I like listening classical music. The last verb, apprécier, to appreciate. Je n'apprécie pas beaucoup de café. I don't appreciate a lot of coffee. Je n'apprécie pas beaucoup de café. Last example. Il apprécie les efforts de son équipe. Again, team. He appreciates the efforts of his team. Il apprécie les efforts de son équipe. I hope these verbs are clear, and I'm also hoping that you have enjoyed this series, right? And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.